adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing fractions. Let's take a look. Okay, for adding and subtracting fractions, we need a common multiple. So let's get the multiples of 5 and 2. The multiples of 5 will be 5, 10, 15, and 20. Multiples of 2 will be 2, 4, 6, and 8. And you notice here nothing matches right now because I didn't go through the multiples enough. So I'm going to go one more of both and see what happens. So another multiple of 5 times tables will be 25. Another multiple of 2 times tables will be 10. And now I finally do get a match. So we have matching multiples of 10. So in the 5 times tables, the multiple here for 10 is times 2. So we'll say times 2 here and times 2 there. For the 2 times tables, the multiple for 10 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll say times 5 times 5. Okay. As a result, we get our new fraction. 3 times 2, 5 times 2, 1 times 5, 2 times 5. The answers are 6, 10, 5, and 10. Now we add the two fractions. 6 over 10 plus 5 over 10, we get 11 over 10. Okay, and here we'll do the same. Oh, and by the way, 11 over 10 cannot be simplified. It is an improper fraction, but we're not going to change improper fractions right now. Okay, number 2. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, and we'll go one more, 25. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, and we'll go one more, 10. Our common multiple are the 10s. Okay, so for the 5 times tables, the 10, the multiple is 2 for that. And for the 2 times tables, 10, the multiple is 5. Okay. So let's build our fraction again. And we're going to multiply 3 times 2, 5 times 2, 1 times 5, and 2 times 5. The answers are 6, 10, 5, and 10. Now we're going to subtract these two fractions, 6 over 10 and 5 over 10, and we'll end up with 1 over 10. We're going to keep the denominator the same. Okay. And that cannot be simplified. Okay, number 3, we're multiplying fractions. The process for multiplying fractions is to put everything on one fraction. So we'll have 3 times 1 and 5 times 3. Now I can see already that this and this can be divided by 3, so that lets me know when I combine everything, I'll have to simplify by dividing by 3. And again, there are some people that divide by 3 here and simplify there. Either way, it's fine. So 3 times 1 is 3, 5 times 3 is 15, and now I'll simplify by dividing everything by 3. So I'll get 1 over 5. Okay. Number 4, the division of fractions. We're going to convert this by using our keep, change, flip. As a result, we're going to get 3/4 remains. Division becomes multiplication, and the 1 over 2 becomes 2 over 1. Now we can combine all this into one fraction because now we're doing multiplication. So this will be 3 times 2 and 4 times 1. I can see already that the 2 and 4 can both be divided by 2. And I'm going to go ahead and multiply them together. And just remember, I can simplify by 2 on these. So 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 1 is 4. And I can now simplify by dividing by 2. And we're going to get 3 over 2.